I'm out here with Kevin from Catch and Cook, California, Martine, and David, and we're hunting small games, birds like dove, quail, pigeons, and rabbits and squirrels. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. Mussels Kevin got from the coast last night. Yeah, last night.
Yeah, you just gotta grab life by the beard. Like, think about clams, you can eat raw. They're a bivalve. And that's why we started to cook, and then we're like, well, we'll build it around. Okay. But you wouldn't want to put it directly on the Thai chilies. Alright.
Fresh mussels.
A little pinch, man. A little pinch. Alright, what are we about to eat? This is Olympic.
Oh yeah. So the team is splitting up into 3, and we're gonna try to flush out the rabbits and birds. 2 guys with bows and arrows, and 1 with gun, and myself with the camera. That's another trail, and there's another one here. They all converge here. 2 trails, possibly 3. Here's another one. Perfect. Mushrooms. Nice. Yeah. Okay. There's another one here, yeah?
Yeah, underneath the elderberry. Coyotes eat them, bobcats eat them, hawks eat them, falcons eat them, etc. And humans eat them. And we've been eating them for a long time, probably around 15,000 years here in California. But in any case, super sustainable, 100% delicious. And these are just grazing on seeds that they're finding out here. So it's totally organic. And yeah, this is the way to do it. I love these birds.
Nice! Woo-hoo! Nice! Woo-hoo!
Kevin, man, what a shot.
Well, he
Another
shot a rabbit round at it first, missed completely.
I completely missed.
Because it was not going there.
Okay. Now go into the bank and then start the cooking. We're building the fire and I'm going to plug the birds.
Totally up to you, man. You want to do Bennett?
Fire there. Goes in to the back. Massage it.
Need help? Good. Me? Yeah. No, I'm... Get some flavor in there, and we need to add Diane's special sauce.
Alright, that's the first bird.
Got a bird on the fire. It'll be easier with chopsticks. Homemade. Whoops.
Cut trees into chopsticks.
Flame on! Yeah, whoa!
Yeah, be careful, man.
Oh, sizzling birds. Jesus, it's hot there. Actually,
Fly right now over the river.
I didn't actually get the fucking sweet, but we'll do it. Do it.
Oh my god, that was so good.
We need to get you on the shotgun, man.
Yeah, if I had a shotgun.
Time to dig in. So, I guess just help yourself with your fingers and whatnot.
Go for it.
Go for it.
Yeah, you can put it over the pot. I can put it on the cutting board.
nice.
Perfect.
Well, we'll see.
Oh yeah.
How is it?
Done it again, Chensey. It's good.
Cause
Alright.
looks pretty kind of.
Oh man,
It's good, man.
that's so juicy.
Really?
Yeah.
Dude, flavor is, oh my god.
Here.
Dude, that's bomb.
You eat
That's
some.
bomb.
Oh,
All right,
yeah.
I'll eat some.
Yeah. Oh.
Hey, it works. Oh, it's pretty good.
Alright, let's see here.
It's good, huh?
Yeah.
Right near the booty hole.
That's good. It's actually good.
It's really
The
good.
flavor actually got in.
Oh
Yeah.
man.
Dude, you did a great job, man. It's delicious. Dude, look at that. It's just perfectly cooked, man. Super juicy. Nice white meat on there. That's the thing I love about the quail. You know, it's like the dark meat on a chicken, but it's all that organic, good white meat. Oh man.
Oh yeah.
Were the three birds delicious?
Mm-hmm.
There's not much left.
Clean plate
My
clubbers.
goodness. Demolish that.
How do you
Quail, you'll take him if you see him.
how do you specific?
Chency's got water.
Chancy, do your thing. That is disgusting.
I had a feeling.
Like a horse.
Unbelievable.
Fucking
Don't do that at home.